In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill a form in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you have to import or open up the form inside PDF XChange Editor. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of things we have. Of course, you could enter your name over here, and then it says first choice, and you have this drop-down menu. You can just click on it and basically fill things in. You can check all that apply, for example, like this, and this works as well. And then here you'll be able to type in whatever things you want to type in. And of course, that's how you actually fill the form. It's very easy. However, if some things aren't working, you could also go to the form tab up top and you could do it yourself. So you could go to the text field. I'm gonna press yes, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to basically show you where you can put different things. So here it's going to show you like different form fields that were actually added. So this one has been the name field. You can of course move it if you want to. This one over here is basically like a choice. This is the option. This one is basically name, age, stuff like that. So of course you can view them like this as well. Now you can go to form up top, and of course you could fill this in. You could go ahead and add things in here like signatures, drop downs, whatever. And if you do select fields, you can of course customize these as you wish. Now, if you would like to create this from scratch, it's also possible. Let me actually close this. There we go. As you can see, there's a bunch of things you can do, like the text box, you have buttons, check marks, you have these radios over here, and you can all add them by going to form up top, and you can just basically create different things like drop downs over here. You also have lists. You have a bunch of different things you could do, like barcodes over here. That's completely up to you. And then when you go to the hand tool here, you can basically see how to how you can actually manage these things and see how they're working whenever actually somebody sees them and tries to actually enter them in. So that's basically how to fill forms in PDF XChange Editor. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.